Moon Heaven Daily Devotional by Pastor E. Adeboye. Today, Tuesday, April 16th, 2024. Topic: Power makes noise. Memory verse: Joshua chapter 6, verse 5. Joshua 6:5. And it shall come to pass that when they make a long blast with the ram's horn, and when ye hear the sound of the trumpet, all the people shall shout with a great shout, and the wall of the city shall fall down flat, and the people shall ascend up, every man straight before him. Bible reading: Joshua chapter 6, verses 15 to 21. Joshua 6, 15 to 21. And it came to pass on the seventh day, that they rose early about the dawning of the day, and compassed the city after the same manner 7 times. Only on that day they compassed the city 7 times. And it came to pass at the 7th time, when the priest blew with the trumpets, Joshua said unto the people, Shout, for the Lord hath given you the city. And the city shall be accursed, even it and all that are therein, to the Lord. Only Rahab the harlot shall live, she and all that are with her in the house, because she hid the messengers that we sent. And ye in any wise keep yourselves from the accursed thing, lest ye make yourself accursed. When ye take of the accursed things, and make the camp of Israel a curse, and trouble it. But all the silver and gold and vessels of brass and iron are consecrated unto the Lord. They shall come into the treasury of the Lord. So the people shouted when the priest blew with the trumpets. And it came to pass, when the people heard the sound of the trumpet, and the people shouted with a great shout, that the wall fell down flat, so that the people went up into the city, every man straight before him, and they took the city. And they utterly destroyed all that was in the city, both man and woman, young and old, and ox and sheep, and ass, with the edge of the sword. Message: Many Christians don't pray aloud anymore, and this is one of the reasons we are seeing fewer demonstrations of power among us. During the first service I attended at RCCG, we were asked to shout hallelujah, and the fellow beside me shouted so loudly that I almost ran out of the church. Where there is power, there must be noise. They conquered a plane that could take you from London to New York in about 3 hours was grounded partly because people said it was noisy. With its powerful engine, it was bound to be noisy. These days, many Christians have to be cajoled to shout hallelujah. I remember many years ago when I was asked to preach during the Christmas carol at Aso Rock, and all the high and mighty were there. When I asked them to shout hallelujah, they shouted like sophisticated ladies and gentlemen until I said, the next fellow to shout hallelujah is the only one who will see the new year. This time around, they really shouted. Real Christians do not have to be threatened to praise their Father. Many years ago, I was walking and praying within Redemption City in the middle of the night, hungry and thirsty for the power of God. I had been crying, Lord, I told you from the beginning that I don't want to be ordinary. I was serving you as much as I could when I was still lecturing at the university, making some money to do your work. But you pulled me out. Now, you have made me a general overseer, and I like the power to do the work that must be done. Father, either empower me or take me home. As I prayed, the ground under my feet shook violently. There was an earthquake that was felt from as far as Ijebu-Ode. It was in the newspaper. An earthquake is not quiet. Noise is necessary for power. Stop trying not to be noisy. Don't hinder the move of God with your so-called sophistication. I am at a point in my life where I need other people to carry more fire than me, so that when I am leaving, I will know that I am leaving commandos behind that will take the work of God farther than I did. Stop forming, as the youth will say, when you are in the presence of God. Be free to make a loud noise that will shut the devil out and let the power of God flow. Action point: shout a very loud hallelujah. Bible in 1 year. First Kings chapter 21 to chapter 22. First Kings chapter 21 to chapter 22. Hymn for today. I am so glad that our Father in heavens. God bless you.